am. Look at that biggin! Look at that biggin! What is going on, fishing people? Back at it again. I'm going to Rooster Rock Slough, looking for some largemouth bass in there. They were in there the previous years. They haven't been there lately, but I'm out making an attempt after work. Got a few hours to fish. If you can't land into something, also gonna head out on the Columbia and look for some smallmouth bass right outside the slough right there. So, a lot of rocks to be fishing, a lot of fish to be had. Wish me luck. All right, guys, so I'm out here at Rooster Rock Slough today, and it is looking pretty spicy. This guy right here says he's catching catfish out here. You tried for largemouth yet? You mind being on YouTube or no? Okay. Anyway, he said his buddy watches my videos, and he's gonna subscribe as well, so that's pretty cool. I met a subscriber at Rooster Rock. It's awesome. Anyways, let's go find some largemouth. Looking pretty spicy out here. Dude, that's a little tiny minnow, dude. Look at it. Nice. Look at that little bait fish he's got in his mouth. I got a fish.
Nice. That's how you produce, baby. Cranking on the Columbia.
Look at that, dude. Look how he's hooked. All right, guys. First bass. He was small. He hit light. Still a bass. All right. Let's see if I can't get a bass 2 by over here. Oh yeah. It's a nice bass. Look at that fat fish. Oh, heck yeah. Look how chunky he is. There we go. He's heavy too for like how short he is. He's short, dude, but he is heavy. Let's get a weight on this guy. 2-pound smallmouth. Short and fat, dude. All right, guys. Let's throw this guy back in the water. Short and fat. There he goes. Fish. Right there, guys. Not a bad little fish. Another one in the boat. Third one of the day. I've just been fishing this little island, guys. I've gotten like 4 hits. There's one. He's a little one. There he's a little guy, but that's my 4th fish, man. 3rd smallmouth. 4th bass. Right on.
This is what we're throwing. Bomber, mossy craw.
Fish. Did he come off? Oh, it came off. That felt like a big fish, dude. Big fish. full salmon today too. I'm thinking about it. Yeah. All right, guys. Hopefully you guys can see me. But the day was crap for like 4 hours, and then it turns out I found this little rocky island and I caught 3 smallmouth right there. I lost 2. I lost one of them at this big cliff right here. And yeah, overall it was a good day, man. I mean, I kind of went for carp earlier on a jig because I saw a ton of like 20-pound carp swimming around me, and I was like, holy crap, I gotta get on some carp. But then again, I didn't have anything for carp, so I just threw bass jigs and it didn't work out too well. But I caught a largemouth on topwater when the evening started, and then I caught that 2-pound smallmouth on a crankbait. That was really cool. I got a couple bites on a Senko. So overall, it was a good day. I say, hopefully y'all enjoy the video. And until next time, tight lines.